Hello everybody. Today I'll be explaining Macaulay duration for fixed rate bonds. Let's start with what duration or Macaulay duration means. It means the duration or the period I hold as a bondholder. I hold the bond where I realize the yield to maturity if also interest rate changes during this period. Maculay duration is named after Mr. Frederick Macaulay, the famous Canadian economist who first wrote about statistics in a book published in 1938. So let's have our example. We have given here that the bond is sold at discount with $85.50. Par value, as you know, is $100. N represents number of years, 10 years. Yield to maturity is 10.40%, and the coupon rate is 8%. Yield to maturity 10.4. We assume that we are going to reinvest our coupon rates on the same rate, 10.40%. Our example here, as we say, the periods are 10 years, so we have here n equal 10. The cash flow is like the coupon rate, 8%, and at last we take the par value plus the last payment of the coupon, which is the 8, and here is the present value from where we got the present value numbers for the cash flows for the 10 years or the coupon rates. We discounted at the yield to maturity rate, or the 10.4%. How you make it on Excel? It's very simple. You just as you see here in the formula bar, B3, the cell I'm having here, which is equal. What is equal to? It's equal to the 8, the cash flow, divided by 1 over 1 plus 10.4% to the power of 1, which is the first period. The second to the power of 2 until we reach the last year, which is $40.15. Okay, you got the same calculation, of course. 85.50, which is the bond price. The weight. How to calculate the weight? The weight is very simply equal C3, which is the PV of the discounted cash flows, divided by the 85, the total. You got the weight for each PV from the total, as you see here, and then we multiply the period by the weight. The period 1 multiplied by the weight equal the same, and so on, to multiply the weight until we reach 7. Maculay duration means 7 years. If you make a settlement for your bond after 7 years, under the assumption that the settlement will take place on coupon payment date, which means on the 7th coupon payment you settle your bond, you will got 10.40%. You're not gonna be affected by the interest fluctuation, whether it's increased or decreased. Hope you got what is behind the Maculay duration and the meaning of it. It's the years or the number of periods you're gonna hold your bond with the whether the interest rate increase or decrease, you're gonna have the same yield to maturity 10.4 without increase or decrease. If it is 8 years or 9 years, it's gonna be according to the interest rate and the how you are gonna reinvest the coupon payments, whether you're gonna be over 10.4 or below the 10.4. But in order to get it after hold it and sell your bond, it's gonna be 7 years as you see here. Hope you all fine and have a good day.